Hey guys, welcome back to the third episode in how to make your own Discord bot in Python. And in this video I'm going to be doing cogs because I like to have all my code organized before we get into the more episodes and more complicated commands, etc. So first you want to go to your first line on main.py and you want do OS, you want to do a comma OS, so you can just have all your import stuff in one line. And then next you want to go normally on the top of your script, you want to do for file name in os.list dir, and then you want to do, no, we have to leave that for now because now we have to make a new folder, and I'm just gonna name these cogs. Okay, and then now back to here, you can do ./cogs, and then now you do if file name dot ends with .py. So this will only get all the file names at end of .py, so that will be all your scripts. And then you will do .bot load extension f cogs dot curly brackets, and then you will do file name square brackets -3, like that. It should look like that. Okay, and then next you want to make another script in your cogs folder. So I'm going to just make one called .ping.py, and then now you want to do import next chord, and then it's basically just all the same stuff for your main, but it's a little bit different. So I'll just copy this, but I'll remove the OS because I'm not going to use that. And then now you want to do class, and then you can do whatever you want for the name. I'm going to do ping because it's the name of the file, commands.cog, and then next you're going to do define underscore init. I'll do all of that for you, but you don't need this none here. You can just remove that, and then inside these brackets you want to do bot, and then now replace this for self.bot equals bot. Okay, and then now if you want to create your ping command, all you need to do is just go back to main and just copy this, cut it or copy it, and then remove it, up to you, and then you can just paste it. It's got to make sure it's formatted properly, and then now you have to do commands instead. Yeah, so that's basically it, and then you just gotta just do that. And then you also have to add one more thing, which is define setup bot. And then in there you need to do bot.add underscore cog, and then you want to do ping bot. There you go. So that's pretty much it. So you can just add all your commands into this folder, copy it, something like this. I'll probably show more other stuff you can do in cogs because there's a few other things. Pretty short tutorial, so yeah, so now I am just going to run the bot. Hopefully it will go online, and it already made a folder, another folder, So if you go back onto Discord, your bot should be online, and then you can test it. You can just do the same command, and it didn't work. Do we have any errors? Okay. Ping command is not found. Oh, okay, so I forgot to add self. Okay, I found the issue. I just had to put it on the correct line. This should, no, I just have to try again. It should work. Okay, let's try again. Yep, and as you can see, it worked. So you can just, whenever you want to do this to make your code a lot more organized, you can do this. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I have many other videos coming up, so make sure to like and subscribe to get notified when those videos get posted.